Hello guys, Honor has added the Magic 4 series lineup. Honor Mobile always tries to deliver the most advanced and powerful smartphone. After Honor Magic V, Honor producing new flagship phone series. Recently, Honor announced two Magic 4 phones, the Magic 4 and the Magic 4 Pro at MWC in February, along with Earbuds 3 Pro and Watch GS3. And after this, on 17 February, the phone also unveiled other variant, the Magic 4 Ultimate in China. But this variant is likely to stay in China only. So let's start with body and build quality. It comes with aluminum silicate reflective glass back panel with round cutout in the top middle section for camera department with aluminum frame and 199 grams weight that makes comfortable and good enhanced field. Apart from that, at the bottom you have dual speaker, USB type C port and SIM slot. Also more feature like IP68 dust and water resistant, ultrasonic in-display fingerprint reader, face ID and color spectrum ultra wide band. Coming to the front side, it has 6.81 inch LTPO Amoled HDR10 plus display, 120Hz refresh rate to help you the save power consumption, 100 nits with symmetrical display, and on the top left corner you get pill shape cutout for selfie camera with two sensors. One is for front facing selfie camera and second is ultra wide with 12 megapixel f2.4 aperture, 100-degree ultra wide HDR, 4K at 30 fps and 1080p at 30 fps video resolution. Coming to the sleek design of camera department, which has triple camera setup which contains 50 megapixel main lens, f1.8 aperture with 23mm wide multi-directional PDAF. Second is 50 megapixel f2.2 aperture, 120-degree ultra wide. Third is 64 megapixel f3.5 90mm periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Also to enjoy shooting, it supports 4K 30 fps, 1080p, 30 and 60 fps HDR10 play video resolution. Now coming to the specification, inside this device it has top of the top Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor combined with 8 or 12 GB RAM and 128, 256 or 512 GB of storage with Android 12 Magic UI 6 out of the box. Coming to the battery, it has 4600 mAh which support 100 watt fast charging that takes only 15 minutes to charge from 0 to 50%. This device comes with many different color. Here you can see the detail and price. That's all for now. Thanks for your love and support. I really appreciate each one of you who subscribe. Keep loving, keep supporting and smash that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Peace out.